Ayun, so what's up ladies and gents, it's another vlog today, which is a Friday, and ano nga ba? September 27. So nandito tayo ngayon sa New World Culinary Institute, where Bistro 101 is located, and today is the graduation of our batch 19 students sa aming Diploma in Culinary Management na course. So, ayan. Let me give you a sneak peek na tour ng aming kitchen. So, ayan. Welcome sa aming kusina. Ito ang ating mga students today. Hindi pa naka-uniform, mga pasaway. Ayan. We have our sous chef here, Chef Jasper. Andito rin si Chef Arthur na naglilinis kunwari. Madumi yung lababo. Kapal na mukha mo. And then ang ating isa pang magaling na chef, si Chef Chona, who's a chef instructor here and also the head chef instructor of Asian College Dumaguete. Isa sa mga maayos na hospitality management schools sa Dumaguete. At ito, wag na yan. Wala yan. So ito yung mga students namin for batch 19. May dalawa sa kanilang hindi ka-graduate. Merong dalawa nag-graduate naman. Awa ng Diyos. So, ayan. Ito po si Chef Chona. She's preparing components ng kanyang dish. Chef Chona, anong dish mo for today?
I'll be making a tinola supreme.
Tinola Supreme. Yan. Tinola Supreme na soup. So, she's gonna be preparing a dish. One of our dishes for La Colaboracion, which is kultura ang aming concept. So it's a little bit modern Filipino with a twist, syempre. So yun yung gagawin namin today. Ikaw, Chef Jasper, ano yung dish mo nga? Yung nakasign sa'yo?
Sisig ravioli, chef.
Sisig ravioli. So basically sisig pasta. Ayan, nagawa na yung ravioli from scratch. So they're done with their preparations. Creamy calamansi sauce. Yan. So modernization konti. Tapos yung station ko walang laman. In charge ako ng isa sa mga dish. At sa akin walang laman. Pero yun, wala eh. Wala. Yung prepare natin today is mga ba yung akin? Escabeche. So may modern take on escabeche. Sa imagine mo, hindi ko alam yung lulutuin ko no? Yung munti namin kusina. Tapos ito, tumbatan to. Hindi ko alam kung anong kalokohan ginagawa niyan. Ayan, kaldereta. Yung version ng kaldereta niya. Naka-prep na yung sauce ng kaldereta. Tinikman namin ito kagabi, nakakadiri. Ay, joke lang. So, naka-prepare na yung slices ng beef short plate. Tapos, ano yan? Ano yung naka, ano?
Keso.
Anong keso? Ano yan? Mashed potato? Cheese sauce daw. Cheese sauce. Ayan. May kalokohan din siyang niluto. Ano yung nakasign sa'yo, Miss Yen? Irene daw. Ayan. Chicken inasal. So, meron na siya naka-prep na manok para dyan. Ayan. Tapos ito, may itlog ng butike. Ayan, itlog ng quail. Isa sa mga components ng dish ni Kai. Kai, ano nakasign sa'yo?
Pork adobo.
Pork adobo daw. Tingnan natin kung kinalabasan yung adobo na yan mamaya. Yung mayaman naming estudyante, naka iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB fully paid with matching Toyota Raze Turbo na naka-ceramic coating. O, di ba? Malupit. Yan yung prepare niya. Yung plato, yun lang po yung prepare niya. Yan lang po. Ayan. Okay na po. Yun lang ipapakain niya sa customers natin. Yun lang. Yan, very good. Yan po yung ating dining area, which is being set up by my passenger princess, si Miss Chen, who's also our pastry chef. Ayan, so siya rin nagsiset up ng ating dining area. This is our wonderful dining area. And so basically, ito ang kusina ng New World Culinary Institute. So the school started back in 2018 pala. Ayan. Yung first batch was 2018. And then today we are on our batch 20 na. So syempre medyo nag-slow down ng pandemic. So we teach Diploma in Culinary Management. The program runs for 5 to 6 months with an internship dito sa atin since we have our restaurant here, which is Bistro 101, where the students are able to practice the food. So sinaserve nila yung food na dinesign for Bistro 101. So may practice sila. And then we also have sa labas naman, we have our well, ngayon nakaset up siya for graduation, but we have the lounge. Yan. So, dito, 99 pesos yung pagkain, rice meals plus free coffee na din. So, itong mga estudyante na to, sila din yung nagsaserve ng pagkain. Yan, may pasayaw-sayaw pa yung walang niya. Yan. Okay. So, yun po. We also have short programs, 5 days basic master class, culinary master class, and then we also have yung ating 10-day certificate in professional cooking or professional culinary arts. Good for refresher, and then of course sa mga gusto din mag-upgrade ng kanilang mga skills, mga seaman o ano man, or mga restaurant owners who want to further their skills. So, yun. Yan yung ating outside. Ayan. So, nakaset up po tayo for the students' graduation today. Ayan. So, yan po yung outside dining area natin. Converted to an events place right now. And then, ito po ang ating inside dining area where our students, guests will be dining tonight. So, yan po. We have different artworks, representation of Dumaguete. Yung ating pedicab, yan, pinaka main mode of transportation dito. And then, of course, as we know, Negros is known for sugarcane. So, we have this mural of our hardworking mga tao sa mga sugarcane farms. Yan. And then, yun naman po is ang ating sugarcane na mural. And of course, Dumaguete is not Dumaguete without Silliman University. So we have this, ang symbol of Silliman, yung pinaka parang, hindi naman siya monument, no? So parang yun, sa entrance point ng Silliman University. Yan. Yun, again, New World Culinary Institute and Bistro 101 is located here. So, Claytown, Daro, ang location namin sa Dumaguete City. We're one of, if not the most affordable culinary school in the whole island of Negros. So, ayan po.